Ka Shillong Press Club mentakasngi kasantarik kalayo ban pelong ya ka election jit nongkit kamba thamai kabakanthop yalai teliki post ka post president post secretary bat treasurer ha ka post president kinong yakun kidon laingut uba Daimaya Siang Shai editor Umaupor uba Geo Thankiu na Batisi TV bat uba Rafael Wajri na Media Plus bat la job da uba Daimaya Siang Shai uba layo kandai pawai vote kat ba uba wan baar uba Jo Thankiu uba layo nrepo nyo vote bat uba wan balai uba Rafael Wajri ulayo tang henry vote kat baya ka post General Secretary la job suk da uba Savio Dominic Dingdo uba deiru utrai jangkati 7 News namar dan manu-manuru bayakun. Kat baya ka post Treasurer kinong yakun kidon arngut uba Martin Nongklau bat u Gershan Hat bat la job da uba Gershan Hat uba layo shispa kat live vote uba dei u editor jong upet ngor ya uba Martin Nongklau yakani la penyai da ka Directorate Information of Public Relations.
At the very outset, I would like to thank all my colleagues, all my members who have shown your confidence on me to be your new president. And I hope with your cooperation, with your support, we will move ahead to make a press club a vibrant press club, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but in the Northeast and in India as a whole. I would like to thank all the members for making the election a very smooth and a success one. I also would like to thank the commissioner, the director, and all the officers of the DIPR who has conducted a smooth and transparency and a democratic way of conduct an election today. And we hope from today onward we will move ahead so that all the pending programs will be implemented from now onwards. And I also request each and every member that from now on we will work together as a team to make the club a more functional and a more active club in the state. Thank you so much.
First, I would like to thank the Department of the IPR that they have put up this election for after 14 years. So then I thank all the colleagues from print and media that they have supported me as a treasurer of the club, and I hope everyone from now onward we will work together as a club so that we can do all the pending issues that we have been in trouble in these 3 years. So with this few words, I thank everyone, and especially the director of the area. Thank you. God bless you.
In choosing me as a general secretary, and yes, of course, I was without any opposition, but still then I would like to thank each and everyone who had decided to contest, and then later on decided not to contest, to give me the chance to be the secretary, general secretary of this press club. I hope together we can work and we can sit and form a new BC that can function, that can be function in such a way to move this entire press club and the colleagues of the press in a way that is up to this date with the technology and the facilities that's available to us. We can surely move ahead and prove that this press club will be one of the best in the Northeast. Thank you.
It has not been easy because there was nothing in writing in the beginning when we were requested to conduct the election for the Shillong Press Club, which is, I believe, is a prestigious institution, because all of you are professionals, all of you are prestigious, all of you are esteemed. with that in mind, we thought how to start with it and strike a balance with all the views that every member has in their capacity. Somehow, the members nominated by Shillong Press Club were so helpful. All of you were so disciplined, and today, especially in the elections, my officers' report was very good. That is why Commissioner Secretary was so happy to come down by himself, because we reported that it was so smooth, everyone was so disciplined, and everyone was so excited. And, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Let's hope so. From now onwards, all of us will be together. All the members will be supporting the new president, new general secretary, and treasurer. And you will be having. The idea is the decision in the committee meeting is that the new president and general secretary will call a general body meeting where the other posts will be filled up by election or selection by head count or hands count. So I hope all of you will be unanimous in that. All of you will cooperate with them. Together we can do so many things, because you have lost so many things, so many facilities as journalists. So in the days and years to come, for the next 3 years, I leave the responsibility to your new president, general secretary, treasurer, and the new executive committee, along with all the members, esteemed members, that together we will be able to build more transparent, more vibrant Shillong Press Club. With these few words, I congratulate the president, the general secretary, and the treasurer. May God bless you. May God give you wisdom in leading your colleagues who are also very esteemed, very respectable. And let's hope, let's put our trust in them to take the Shillong Press Club into higher, newer heights. Thank you very much. May God bless you.